AI's revolutionary impact on UX design, a real case study. In this case study, we will explore a real-world example of how artificial intelligence AI has revolutionized user experience UX design. We will examine how AI technology was implemented to enhance the user experience of a popular mobile banking application, BankX. BankX, a leading mobile banking app, faced challenges in providing personalized and efficient services to its users. The existing app lacked intelligent features and struggled to deliver relevant information and recommendations to individual users. BankX aimed to leverage AI to create a more personalized and intuitive user experience. The UX design team at BankX conducted extensive research to understand user needs and pain points. They analyzed user feedback, conducted surveys, and studied user behavior through analytics data. The team also researched AI-powered solutions in the banking industry to gain insights into best practices. Based on the research findings, the UX design team collaborated with AI experts to develop an AI-driven virtual assistant within the BankX app. The virtual assistant utilized natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand user queries, provide personalized recommendations, and offer proactive assistance. The team designed a conversational interface that seamlessly integrated the virtual assistant into the app. They focused on creating a user-friendly and visually appealing design that would enhance the overall user experience. Iterative testing and refinement. To ensure the effectiveness of the AI-driven virtual assistant, the UX design team conducted extensive user testing. They recruited a diverse group of participants and observed their interactions with the app. The team collected feedback, analyzed user behavior, and iteratively refined the virtual assistant based on the findings. The implementation of the AI-driven virtual assistant had a transformative impact on the user experience of BankX. Users appreciated the personalized recommendations, quick access to relevant information, and the ability to perform transactions seamlessly through the virtual assistant. The app's engagement and retention rates increased significantly, leading to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. The AI-powered virtual assistant also reduced the burden on customer support agents by handling routine inquiries and providing self-service options. This allowed the support team to focus on more complex user issues, resulting in improved efficiency and reduced response times. Conclusion. This real case study demonstrates the revolutionary impact of AI on UX design. By leveraging AI technologies, BankX was able to create a more personalized and intuitive mobile banking experience for its users. The iterative design process, collaboration between UX designers and AI experts, and continuous user testing were instrumental in achieving successful implementation. As AI continues to advance, UX designers must embrace these technologies to create more intelligent, personalized, and user-centric experiences. By understanding user needs, leveraging AI capabilities, and continuously refining designs through user feedback, UX designers can drive innovation and deliver exceptional user experiences in the digital landscape.